Hello everybody, and a special welcome to vintage toy enthusiasts. After watching Dave's videos on Lucky Penny Shop on his channel on YouTube, I was inspired to document this stove that's in my collection of mini toy stoves. But this is the 1966 large size Suzy Homemaker oven, and at the time it was the largest, to my knowledge, of any toy stove. And I don't think that there's ever been a toy stove made, at least a working model, that's been made larger than this one. This stands about 18.5 inches tall, operates on two 100-watt bulbs. And now I'll pan back from the box and show you the oven and some of the original accessories and utensils that came with it. So here's the oven with the with it plugged in, and original accessories included the mixing bowl, rolling pin, 2 spoons, tablespoon and a teaspoon, spatula, measuring cup. My understanding is it came with 3 cookie cutters. My set is missing the Gingerbread man. As far as pans go, it definitely came with a round pan. It's debatable whether this square pan was actually included. This came with a set of a separate set that I bought without any labeling, and I think it's a Suzy Homemaker set, but that's debatable. And the tube pan is definitely not original, but it is the appropriate size, and the pie pan, which was not original either. There's the original instructions, just on how to put the light bulbs in and preheat the oven, or actually, excuse me, instructions not to preheat the oven. Due to the thermostatic door lock, which you can see the indicator right up at the top there. When it goes to red, the door is locked until the oven is turned off and cooled. There's some original mixes, unused, from the 60s. Needless to say, I'm not going to use those. And then it always came with a catalog advertising their other products. There was a small rectangular version and then a larger square version. I'm not sure why they had the 2 different catalogs, but anyway, there they are with all the different products. And let me just flip it over. There is another side to it as well. But this side is dolls and furniture, which is not my particular interest. My particular interest is all the appliances that actually worked. There's original refill set from 1967. I think I mentioned earlier the oven was debuted in 1966, so they came out with various mix sets after that. The pots and pans are not original, but they're actually to the exact size that the original ones were. So it came with a tea kettle. Actually, you can see it here in the little thing. There's a tea kettle, a frying pan, and a saucepan. So I've replicated a frying pan and a saucepan, and they're, with the exception of not having turquoise handles, these are almost exactly the same. So I was really thrilled to find them a few years back. And that about wraps it up. So there you have it, 1966. An amazing toy, and the Deluxe Topper Toy Company, which made these, was based in Elizabeth, New Jersey, and went bankrupt, or at least out of business, in about 1972, I believe. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this oven and most of the original accessories. Thanks for watching.